Hello, thank you for having me today. It's pleasure to be here and to share a bit about my journey. My name is Muhammad Rifai Sirajuddin Sugandi. I'm currently a university student about to enter my third semester at Bina Sarana Informatika Sukabumi. And I also work professionally as a back-end engineer at a technology startup. I come from a vocational high school in software engineering, which gave me a strong technical foundation early on, and I've been building on that ever since. When I tell the story of how I got here when I am today, it's been quite an interesting journey. It all started at the end of junior high school when I became deeply curious about coding, especially in data science. Because of that interest, I decided to go to a vocational school on and majoring in software engineering. As it turned out, the curriculum there focused more on software engineering than on machine learning or data. However, I'm actually really grateful for that because that's where I built a strong foundation in programming logic. The most memorable turning point was when I got an internship opportunity at an IT company called Makrindo. At this time, I was given quite a big responsibility for a vocational student, working as a full-stack developer since it was a fast-paced startup environment. My task didn't stop at just building application. I was also tasked with a DevOps role, handling application deployment to the server. This hands-on experience of managing infrastructure turned out to be really exciting and motivated me to take part of in the student competition completion or LKS in cloud computing at the end of 12th grade, where I managed to win fourth place at the provincial level. It, it was this whole series of experience that finally cemented my decided to pursue the career in backend infrastructure. So, armed with the experience from my vocational school year, my daily rhythm right now is pretty packed but very enjoyable. I'm currently in the transition from the second to the third semester of my university studies. While studying, I'm also working professionally as a backend engineer at a tech startup. In this job, I am responsible for designing API and managing server logic. I'm also required to be adaptive, so on a daily basis, I work in various programming language ranging from PHP, TypeScript, Python, to Go and Rust. Outside of university and my main job, there's one activity I really enjoy right now. Thanks to my previous LKS competition experience, I've been given the trust by my school to mentor juniors who will compete in the next period. Being a mentor has trained my communication and leadership skill. Of course, holding the roles of student, professional, and mentor at the same times make my schedule extremely tight. I really my weakness is that I sometimes easily forget schedule detail or deadlines. To overcome this, I built a habit of creating a layered reminder system in my calendar. Whether it's a few days before a campus assignment is due, or a few hours before a meeting at the office, the system really helped me maintain my performance across all these commitments. Speaking of the future, since I'm just about to enter my third semester, I divide my plans into several stages to make them more realistic and focused. For the next 1 to 2 years, my main focus is still on exploration and proving myself. I want to gain more hands-on experience and strengthen my back-end portfolio at my current workplace. While also earning several professional certifications, I'm also continuing to nurture my early interest in data science through at the coding camp I'm attending right now, with the hope that one day I can combine software engineering skills with machine learning. Later, when I reach the seventh or eighth semester of my studies, my focus will gradually shift toward preparing my thesis and final project. My target is to make sure I can graduate on time with good grades without having to sacrifice the quality of my work. As for my long-term vision after graduation, I hope to take on my role that demands greater technical responsibility and leadership in the industry, whether at my current company or in my new opportunities. I also have a long-term plan to pursue a master's degree or S3 or S2 and to improve my financial literacy so that the career I'm building is accompanied by solid future stability. That's all. Thank you so much for